Hi friends, in this video I'm going to show how to make the spicy red chutney. Let's see the preparation. For this recipe, we need two important ingredients. One is onion. I have taken 5 number of onions, medium size onions, and then second one is tomatoes. 3 number of medium size tomatoes. Chop both the items into a small pieces, and then what we need is red chilli, dried red chilli, 6 number of red chilli. Then take a pan, spread the oil in the pan and then add chopped onions. After adding the onions, fry it well until it turns glassy look or pinkish color. Approximately it will take 5 to 8 minutes. Keep the flame in the medium and then saute well. Now it is almost completed. In this stage, add the red chilies and then fry this for 1 minute. You can notice the changes in the color. Also, you can see the translucent texture in the onion. After completing this, remove the onion from the pan and place it in the plate. Then allow this to cool until it reaches the room temperature. After that, I am adding salt for this chutney, or you can add directly in the jar while grinding. Then in the same pan, I am adding 1 tablespoon of oil and then fry the tomatoes. This will take approximately 3 to 4 minutes. After frying this, switch off the flame and allow this to cool. After it completely cools down well, then grind it like a paste. Take a jar, add all the items, fried onion, chili, tomatoes and salt, then grind it like a paste. If you want, you can add water, but very little amount of water. No need to add more water because already this vegetable contains more water content. Then grind it like a paste, fine paste. The final step is seasoning. Take a small pan, add oil and then add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. After popping up, add 1 teaspoon of black gram. After it turns into a golden brown, then add the seasoning into the chutney and then mix it well. That's all. The spicy red chutney is ready to eat. For this chutney, idli and dosa are the best combination and the taste is amazing. Once you taste it, you will want to taste it again and again. Try this in your home. It is very easy to prepare. So give it a try. Before that, subscribe, like and share this video. Finally, a big thanks.